Sky blue color, black color, green color, dark blue color, red color, first all of using red color and draw the letter capital A. Using red color and draw the letter capital A. A for apple, A for apple, A for ant, A for ant, A for astronaut, A for astronaut. Using green color and draw the letter capital B. Green color and draw the letter capital B. B. B for ball, B for ball, B for boy, B for boy. Capital letter B. 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 B for balloon, B for balloon. Capital letter B. Using blue color and draw the letter capital C. C. Capital letter C. C for cat, C for cat, C for cow, C for cow. Capital letter C. C. C for cat. Now using yellow color and draw the letter capital D. D. D for dog, D for dog, D for dust, D for dust, D for donkey, D for donkey. Capital letter D. D. Using blue color and draw the letter capital E. E. Capital letter E. E for elephant, E for elephant, E for egg, E for egg. Capital letter E. Capital letter E. E for elephant. Capital letter E. Blue color capital letter E. E for egg, E for elephant. Yellow color and draw the letter capital F. F for fish, F for fish, F for frog, F for frog. Capital letter F.